that's all this page. In 42 page, let us go for some of the meanings. Peasants means a poor small holder or agricultural labor of low social status. Peasants means farmers, we can say those who have land, poor farmers. Santals means native group living mainly in the eastern India. They were tribals. Santals means in Bengal they are a tribal group who were living, a member of a large indigenous means native group living mainly in the eastern India. I told you Santals easy to remember, those are all tribals from Bengal. Rebellion means it is an act of armed resistance to an established government or leader. Massacred means killed, deliberately and brutally kill, many people called massacre. I gave in past tense, massacred means killed, brutally killed you take. So discontent means a sort of dissatisfaction with one's circumstances. The people were discontent towards this British rule. Now in page number 42, some more meanings. Brewing means something is about to happen and something is being prepared. Angrez means Englishman. Sipais means an Indian soldier serving under British or other European orders. Sipais we call. Revolted means take violent action against an established government or rulers, means Britishers at that time. Adjutant means a military officer who acts as an administrative assistant to a senior officer, adjutant. Let us go for the summary of 42 page. Sparks. Under a new rule, Santals had become desperate. Santals means a group of tribals who are living in Bengal. They were highly worried and they had become desperate. In 1855, they rose in rebellions like rebels and killed the Europeans and their servants alike. And the discontent means a sort of dissatisfaction was developing in the East India Company's army also. Sipai Mangal Pandey, Sipai means one who worked, Indian soldier only, who works for the British in British army. So Sipai Mangal Pandey attacked the adjutant. Adjutant means co-person, I told you, no. So in his regiment, he attacked one of his soldier, we can say, and he was executed. For that, Mangal Pandey was executed, put to death, called executed. So the English did not care about Indian customs and traditions. In the beginning, some who cared, but most of the Britishers didn't care of the customs and traditions of the Indians. Chapatis were sent from village to village to show their unity and to motivate the Indians to get ready to help their emperor in attacking the British. So Chapati movement was, I told you that one. With them, that was the message that their native emperor would want their services. Similarly, a lotus flower was also circulated among Indian soldiers in the British army. The masses also gave all help and support. This type of unity, people began to gather and become united to attack these Britishers, to drive these people away from the country. And the last page of this part, 43 page, the topic is revolt, 1857 revolt. How it took place we will discuss here. You can see I am zooming here. Then there was a violent outbreak at Meerut. Violent outbreak means all these Sipais revolted. They decided to fight, attack these British soldiers. So how till now we actually read how common people and all the soldiers, Sipais were very angry towards these Britishers because of their deeds, and they became against the Britishers. They became rebellions and decided to revolt against the Britishers. So all these conditions led to a violent war between British forces and common people, and the soldiers at Meerut near Delhi. The soldiers ran away from army and marched to Delhi to Bahadur Shah's palace. They marched, the Sipai means these soldiers marched to Delhi and they went to the palace, Bahadur Shah's palace. And everywhere these type of rebellions improved, spread. Long live our Emperor Bahadur Shah. They began to give slogans like that. Long live our Emperor Bahadur Shah, they shouted. And the rebellions spread wider. Everywhere, due to different reasons, everywhere people, soldiers, sipais became wider. The rebellions spread wider all through the country, every corner, because of different reasons. Many landlords had lost their lands because of the British policies. Because of the British policies, regulations and rules, many landlords also lost their land. So they also developed hatred towards these Britishers. The white man's rule must end. The landlords also decided. Yes, we will help you. Emperor also assuring. So yeah, okay, you attack them, we will help. Then now they began to open their eyes. Before they were short-sighted, now they began to identify their plans and they began to become united and they decided to send these white men away from our country. So this type of revolt is named as 1857 revolt, Indian Rebellion Revolt, revolt of 1857. Sipai revolt also we call, because they insulted the Sipais by applying grease, fat of cows and pigs on the bullets. And not only that, they stripped off their uniforms, they insulted the Sipais and soldiers in many ways. So all these different things supported made the people, Indians, to revolt. Common people also decided to, they became rebellions and decided to attack these Britishers. Landlords, santals, tribals, farmers, peasants, so many, in almost all the areas, one or the other cause and one or the other problems they faced, and they all became together to attack these Britishers and decided to send them away from our country. So by this, revolt topic in the textbook completed. Let us see the meanings. Sore means upset or angry. 43 page meanings I am reading out. Outbreak means outburst. Marched means protested rally. Rebellions means revolutionary people, revolution. 43 page summary if we observe. Revolt, 1857 revolt. The revolt started at Meerut near Delhi. The Sipais who had revolted marched to Delhi. They marched to Delhi and they were shouting slogans in favor of Bahadur Shah Jafar. The rebellion spread wider. All these people who were in rebellion, rebels who were ready to attack, they spread wider. Many landlords has lost their lands. They also helped for this revolt. So this was the end of this page, 43 page summary. Thank you, children.